Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use aux in Nissan Pathfinder, updated. Start by locating the 3.5mm aux jack, then plug in a quality cable securely at both ends. Set the infotainment source to AUX and slowly raise the volume to avoid sudden loud audio. If you hear distortion, lower phone volume first and then adjust car volume for best clarity and balanced sound. If your aux connection misbehaves, stay calm and try simple fixes before assuming hardware failure. Swap in a known good 3.5mm cable and test again, then reboot the head unit if problems persist. Check phone settings to ensure media audio is enabled and not muted. For intermittent sound, inspect the jack for lint and use compressed air gently, then retest to confirm the issue is resolved. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more updates. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with convenient voice control and surprisingly good audio for its size, making it a fun companion for car prep and playlists. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. To get the best audio over aux, aim for balanced settings and avoid maxing device volumes that cause clipping. Use a shielded 3.5mm cable and keep it untangled and short to reduce noise. Start with phone volume near 70% and adjust the car stereo for crisp sound without distortion. If you want deeper bass without fuzz, tweak equalizer gently rather than boosting extremes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.